Hello, P2. Welcome back to IP English time. We are going to continue learning. Today we have lesson 47. So, are you ready? Let's get started. P2, let's practice our unit number 4. He is a hero. Okay, now I want you to tell me, do you remember our vocabulary about occupation? Let's check. So, let's have a look at the picture. I will remind you, this is a fireman. Fireman is a person who protects people from the fire accident. Okay, this one, do you remember? This is a teacher. The teacher helps people to learn. I am a teacher. I help you to learn English. Okay, let's have a look at the picture number 3. Can you guess what is this? Do you remember? It's a pupil. You are pupils and you attend the school where you study. Okay, next one is a housewife. The housewife takes care about her family. She works at home. And the last one is a pilot. The pilot is the person who controls the flight on the aircraft. So he helps you to get from one place to another. Let's read one more time and repeat after me. Fireman, teacher, pupil, housewife, and pilot. Very good. Continue our lesson. Now we are going to review how to use she or he. So, if we talk about a woman or a girl, we use she. And do you remember about she is? It's the same for she's. So she is means she's. So you can use she's short form if you talk about woman or a girl. And look at the picture. This is a boy. That's why we use he. If we talk about a man or a boy, we use he. And how to say his? Do you remember? He is means his. The meaning is the same. So his is the short form of he is. So we use his if we talk about a man or a boy. For girl, she. For boy, he. Good. So now we are going to practice this grammar topic. Don't Very. And now, P2, let's review how to use she's or his. So we have to look at the picture and to think. Is it a boy or a girl? This is a boy. That means that we use his. And now we have to think, who is he? So we have to remember his occupation. So what does he do? He is a pupil. Very good. He goes to school. The next one. So now let's think. Is it he or she? This is a man. So we use his. And now let's remember, who is he? What is his occupation? He is a fireman. He protects people from the fire accident. Good. Continue. Look at the picture first. So, is it a man or a woman? She is a woman. So, we have to use she's. And she is a teacher. I am a teacher. So, we have to say she's a teacher. Okay, next picture. Do you remember what's this? This is a pilot. Great. And we use his because he is a man. And we remember his occupation. He's a pilot. He works on an aircraft. And the last one. Do you remember? Who is she? She's a housewife. Very good. And she works at home. She takes care about her family. So she is a woman. That's why we use she's. And now let's do activity together. I will help you. So we have to look at the picture and to think what to choose, his or she's. Can you tell me? Let's have a look. We can see a man. So it means that we use his. Yes, very good. We use his in the beginning of our sentence. And now we have to write his occupation. Do you remember? Pupil, teacher, or pilot? Pilot. Yes, that's correct. He's a pilot. Very good. Let's try one more. Look at the picture. So what do you want to choose? His or she's? His. Yes, because we can see a boy on the picture. And now let's think together. We have pupil and teacher. So I want you to choose the correct answer. Who is he? He's a pupil. Yes, that's true. He's a pupil. And the last one. Who can tell me? So which answer should we choose? His or she's? So if we look at the picture, we can see a woman. That's why we use she's. Yes, perfect. We use she's. And now we have only one occupation, teacher. So let's choose teacher. She's a teacher. Thank you so much for the activity together, P2. And now it's time for your homework. Prepare your workbook, please. Open page 31, section 1. I will explain you. So here you have to look at the pictures and match. So you need to use your pencil and eraser. If you make a mistake, you can correct yourself. And then you have to write the sentence. For example, number 1, look at the picture. You have to choose his or she's. So here we use his because we can see a man on the picture. And now we have to think about his occupation. So you have a box with the words fireman, housewife, teacher, and pilot. If you look at the picture, number 1, you can see that this is a pilot. So choose these words and then write the sentence, he's a pilot. Very good. Let's check your homework next time. And if you look at this page, you can see all your homeworks. So if you haven't finished your homeworks, please do it. For today, we finish our lesson. Thank you so much for the attention and watching the video. See you next time. Bye bye.